Hi everyone, my name is Dilpreet Kaur and welcome to my grammar series. पिछले वीडियो में हमने बात की थी पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच के बारे में. आज के वीडियो में we will talk about prepositions. Now prepositions क्या होते हैं? What are prepositions, right? So prepositions are basically group of words which are used before a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, or to introduce an object. It is also known as relating word, right? So they're also known as relating words. Prepositions normally direction, time, place, or location के बारे में बताते हैं. There are majorly two things which prepositions talk about. One is time and one is place, the position basically. So आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे बहुत ही important preposition के बारे में, which is in. Now, in is used when something is located inside of a defined space. It is used to indicate location or position within or inside something. For example, there is water in the glass. जैसा कि आप मेरे example में and picture में भी देख पा रहे हैं, in the box. So, in use होता है किसी भी space के अंदर की position बताने के लिए. For example, my wallet is my money is in my bag, right? My books are in the cupboard. My wallet is in my handbag. So, different tarah ke examples. In is also used for places. I live in India. So, normally हम in का use करते हैं bigger places के लिए. जब भी हम दो places को एक साथ बोलते हैं, then we use at and in, which I'll share in my upcoming videos. So for the time being, abhi ke liye, in is used for places. Like, for example, I live in India. Next, in is also used for time. When talking about time, we use in when referring to an unspecific time of a day, month, season, or a year. So, in ko hum use karte hain day ke liye, month ke liye, season ke liye, and year ke liye. For example, year के लिए कब use करेंगे? कैसे use करेंगे? He was born in 2002. For months, I will meet him in June this year. तो जब भी आप month के बारे में बात करेंगे या year के बारे में बात करेंगे, हम in का use कर सकते हैं month या year से पहले. Next, in is also used for parts of the day. जैसे he will meet me in the evening. So what time are you meeting, right? So time बताने के लिए कौन से time of the day पे आप मिलेंगे? So it is in the evening, in the morning, in the night. ठीक है? For centuries, century होता है period of 100 years, right? So there should be a lot of progress in the next century, right? आने वाली century में बहुत progress देखा जाएगा. Seasons. I will visit my family in summer. ठीक है, तो seasons के लिए जैसे summer, winter, spring, है ना, उनके लिए भी हम इनका use करते हैं. This is all for today. Let me know in the comment section how you like this video and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.